What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to get the Witters Plate Helm in Crimson Desert. This helm looks a bit fishy. Well, it is unique gear after all that provides Cliff 3 points of defense along with Daze immunity. But what makes this helm special is its Rising Torrent ability, which activates when you do the evasive roll immediately after getting hit. The location of this helmet is to the very south of Hernan Town, towards the sea west of the Steel Mountains. The waypoint indicates the exact destination. You must first reach this small village called Valua, since the shore below it with the green marker has fishing boats you can use to reach the island. When you're at the exact shore, take a fishing boat and row towards the waypoint. The closer you get, you will see a shipwreck. Row towards the right side of the wreck, and take down the group of bandits chilling there. Once that's settled, move inside the cave and take down another group of bandits. If all's clear, look carefully at the pile of crates. You'll find chests and extra loot. The helm's just lying on the ground in the middle. Pick it up and you've got yourself a fish helm. If you found this helpful, leave us a like or comment and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.